Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to PayPal. If you need to send money whether to a friend, family member, or for goods or services, PayPal is a convenient option. First of all, launch open the PayPal app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After signing in to PayPal with your correct credentials, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu button at the top left corner. This will now take you to this page from where you can click on Send to a PayPal account under Send and Pay. Now select a contact you want to send the money to from your contact list. Click Continue in the pop-up if the contact is correct, and on the next page, enter the payment you'd like to send to the person. You can also choose the currency on the bottom on the right corner, and once done, you can also add a note in the bottom of the screen and then click on Next. So right after you do that, the recipient will receive the money from you. After sending, you'll see a confirmation screen and receive an email receipt, and you will be able to see the completion of the transactions in your activity or history. So that is how you easily send money or make a payment to one of your friends or family on PayPal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.